Hello, welcome to the Yarn Symphony. So a few days ago, I decided to make a new drawstring pouch and I was looking for a new style. So I started drawing and then I found this pattern, which is just a sample of what I wanted to crochet. Then yesterday, I crocheted this little chicken and then I was like, oh my god, it is so cute. Let me show it. This is my new drawstring pouch, and then I decided to share it here so you can use the pattern. If you are absolute beginner, you can use my absolute beginner tutorials, which I tell you how to crochet this little cat head, and you can connect them wherever you want. Don't forget to support my channel and hit subscribe down there and like this video so we can make more cute things together. I use this color for the first step, and I'm gonna make a magic ring. Like this. Chain 3. And make 11 double crochets inside the magic ring. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. So I'm gonna make 11 double crochets inside my magic ring and meet you after crocheting 11 double crochets. Okay, now I have 11 double crochets and these 3 chains. Now I want to close the magic ring like this. You just need to pull the tail and then one slip stitch inside this chain. So this is how I make a slip stitch. Great. Now chain 3 and 1 double crochet inside the current stitch, which is here. Now I want you to make 2 double crochets inside each stitch until you have 24 double crochets. And this one counts as a double crochet. Alright, now I have 24 double crochets. Now slip a stitch in this chain. Now again, chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. One and 2. Again, 1 double crochet, just a simple double crochet, no increases, and 1 increase in the next stitch. Keep doing this 12 times until you have 36 double crochets. Now I have 36 double crochets. Now just like the previous round, one slip stitch into this chain. Now chain 3 as a double crochet in the next stitch, and a double crochet increase in the third one. So 2 simple double crochets and 1 increase. Keep doing this 12 times until you get 48 stitches. Okay, now I have 48 double crochets. Again, slip a stitch in here like that. pull through twice. Now for the next round, first chain 3 as a double crochet and start making double crochets. No increases, just simple double crochet around your work for 9 rounds. This part is over too. Now I have 13 rounds. You should count them like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I want to make the last slip stitch, so I insert my hook inside this chain, and now I'm going to change the color. Use the red one, grab the yarn, pull through the chain, and pull through the loop. Now you can cut this yarn, leave a tail for that. Now we want to just work on the red yarn. Now I want to chain 1 as a single crochet, skip 1 stitch, which is this one, and make 7 double crochets inside the next stitch. 1, so I made 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, and 7 double crochets inside this stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you need to skip 1 stitch in here and start the second part. So 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, and 7 double crochets inside the next stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, skip 1 stitch, single crochet inside the next one. Keep doing this pattern 12 times. Okay, when you finish the last one, you should skip this one and pull it. Insert your hook in here into the first red stitch and make 1 slip stitch like that. Now we can cut the red yarn just like this. Now the only thing that you need to do is to make some knots in here. Like that, and cut them off. To crochet the feet, you need yellow yarn. Make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook. Make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we need to make single crochet in the second chain from the hook. First one, second one. 1, we need 6 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 3 single crochets inside here. Start from second chain from the hook. So 1, 2 and 3. Make your slip stitch in here. You can insert your hook wherever you want, just it should be up here. I insert my hook here, make your slip stitch, again 4 chains, 4, 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, 1 more slip stitch, again 4 chains, and 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now you should insert your hook in here wherever you can. Insert it in there and make 1 slip stitch, just like this. Cut the yarn, this is the first foot. You need to weave the yarn and bring it here like this. Okay, do the same thing for the other tail. Weave it too. The legs are ready. Let's connect them to the body. So this is the body. There's a line on the body. I want this to be the behind of the chicken, so it's gonna be the face. Now I wanna connect the legs in here. So let's find this part and insert my hook, grab one part like this, insert your hook in the gap next to this gap and get the other part. You can check this if it was okay, then you can connect it totally. So I want to make knots here. Three knots. Cut the yarn. Now connect the other leg in here. The legs are connected. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Now we want to sew the eyes and the mouth. Okay, the face is ready. Now I want to make 2 strings to make it like a drawstring. For making the strings, you need this color, the first color, and make a slip knot like that. Insert your hook and make 100 chains. Both of the strings should have 100 chains. Okay, so these are my 2 strings. Now you don't need any hook or needle. Fold your pouch and bring this string out from there. Okay, great. Now again, bring it out after 3 stitches. And it should go inside after 3 stitches. Again, bring it out after 3 stitches. And just keep doing this all around here until you get here. Okay, when you get there, you should insert it after 2 double crochets and bring it out from here. They should be on the same place. And then you need to just connect them together by these tails, like that. Don't pull too much. And one more. Then you can cut it like this. And now it's time to use the other string. So fold it again. We need to work on this part. So insert your string from there, exactly where the other string is. Don't pull it so much. And start weaving the other string just like the last one. The only difference is when the first one is on the pouch, the other one should be on the behind, like that. So this is how my drawstring pouch look like, and you can close it just by pulling. And thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video if you like that, so other people can use it too, and hit subscribe for any future videos. Bye.